guys, so now I'm going to solve exercise number 4 on page 126. So here they show us 6 different graphs and they're asking us to identify whether these are uniform linear motion, uniformly accelerated linear motion, or they do not correspond to any of them. Okay, I saw lots of mistakes in here. In order to solve this, you have to be really careful and read very slowly what they give us, okay? So in here we have a distance time graph. The D is like the X that I give you, okay? Also in here. So distance time graph. So this means when time goes by, our distance also changes. Like for example, maybe we were here at 1 meter away from home. Then in here we are 2 meters. Then in here we are 3 meters. So our position is changing in a uniform way. So this means that this is a uniform linear motion. This is also a distance time graph, but you can see a horizontal line. This means that if this is equal to 3 meters, for example, as time goes by, we are still in 3 meters, so this is a no motion. Guys, do not say no motion, uniform linear motion. It is either one or the other, okay? Do not mix them. Now on C, we can see a velocity time graph. So velocity is really different from distance, even though the graph might look very similar. This means that velocity is changing, guys. And it is doing so in a uniform way. So it is going from velocity equals 3 to velocity equals 4, velocity equals 5, okay? So it's the same rate the whole time. So this is a uniformly accelerated linear motion. Let's go to D. We have velocity versus time. And in here, if time is this, velocity is this. Time is this, velocity is this. Time is this, velocity is this. So it's the same. So velocity is constant. So this means we have a uniform linear motion. And in these two graphs, the A stands for acceleration. Acceleration. So many of you said, oh, we didn't study these two motions. Yeah, I didn't explain to you the graph, but you need to be able to identify the data, okay? This means acceleration versus time is changing. So acceleration changes. We didn't study this, so doesn't have a name that we know of, okay? This one, acceleration is constant. It's always the same. Like when time is this, acceleration is this. When time is this, acceleration is this. So it means velocity is changing at the same rate. So this is what we call a uniformly accelerated linear motion. In order for it to be a uniform linear motion, the acceleration versus time graph would be like this, because acceleration equals 0, okay? Any doubts that you have, just let me know.